The return of my Coin Lady channel brings me much joy. In this video, I will relate various anecdotes that all revolve around the price behavior of XRP. And the first one goes something like this: within the next 6 to 12 months, the venture platform expects the price of XRP to rise. Okay, I'll tell you anyway. I mean, maybe they're totally sincere, and there are good grounds for their beliefs. I gotta make fun of this. I have to poke fun at their point of view a bit. I simply must complete this task. Once we begin the video, you will understand why. I've been in the crypto space for 7 years, and I've seen people say things like, last chance to buy XRP at these prices. Now, there's this one from the crypto fantastic expert who says that this is the last time to buy XRP because of the Dun Chin channel breakout. But the problem is, in the end, everything does come to pass. Consider that the low point of the last market cycle was 10 cents. All the way down to the market's lowest point, 1,011 cents. That was far from the bottom of this market cycle. At 28 cents, we received the lowest price. Indeed, at the time it was spoken, it was true. In fact, that was the final occasion. Now, this will also be true here if we are to experience a genuine bull run. XRP will simply surge in value. When it comes to price discovery, I anticipate it to reach new all-time highs. That area is known as bubble territory. That bubble will burst. Prices will plummet, but they will hit a deeper bottom than in the last cycle. I would have anticipated that. To be honest, I don't do price forecasting. That would definitely be my expectation, generally speaking, but if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. After that, there's the possibility that XRP's exponential rise, like Netflix stock, may drive prices as high as $95. Fascinating views and commentary on the subject. Starting with this first component, I have some mocking to do, as I mentioned before. I believe it's justified in this case. Please correct me if I'm wrong. Nonetheless, I believe the ridicule is justified. Recently, Future Trends Capital, a platform for venture capital, predicted the price of XRP and other key assets for the next 6 to 12 months. Notably, XRP has had a tough time getting back to where the platform predicted it would be. Looking ahead, though, patterns indicate that XRP will finally break through to the $1 price level between April and November of 2025. There, you heard it clearly. Oh my! I am really thrilled. Ripple, $1, holy cow. Listen, I don't think it will stop at $1, but if you told me, we could look back and see that those were the actual high points. So, I'll be pleased when it begins moving there. XRP has suddenly reached $1, which is a major concern. And that is the question I would have in this situation. However, their post for VEX is located here. So, according to their predictions, Bitcoin will reach $100,000 in the next 6 to 12 months. The predicted influx of capital into the cryptocurrency market, which is known to cycle into other large caps, mid caps, small caps, etc., will supposedly only go into XRP, driving its value to $1. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Thus, in my opinion, this can only be considered somewhat realistic, and the only way XRP may remain below $1 is if there is no alt season. But to think that an alternate season is in the works. Bitcoin is going to run, all coins are going, but XRP disappoints at $1, which doesn't add up. Although I'm not very good with charts, I've noticed that there are many credible XRP chart analysts out there that haven't been consistently wrong about the price of XRP for years. Their opinions are so similar. For nearly 7 years, XRP has been consolidated within a symmetrical triangle. Consequently, the volatility has been narrowing, but in the end, and I'm no Sharky, but I do know this, usually, a break occurs before the symmetrical triangle reaches its apex. Is there going to be a noticeable break when it occurs? Do you think it will go downhill or uphill? Assuming we continue to have a bull market, which we are, I would venture to say that it will continue to go higher. You can say I'm insane, but I have to poke fun at them anyhow. I don't get this. Except in the absence of a full season, this is complete and utter nonsense. They apparently aren't depending on that, though, because they have Ethan's $6,000 already. You can observe that Bitcoin operates, but altcoins do not, and that is just absurd. For the life of me, I can't bring myself to invest in this, so I will refrain from making any price forecasts. It would be dishonest of me to act like a truck when that is clearly not my forte. My general assumption, and it's the same expectation I have regardless of whether I invest in crypto or the stock market, is that the pie will grow. Having a wide exposure is something that markets enjoy over the long term, so certainly, numbers go up. Here in crypto, it's the same. And thus, I also introduced crypto exposure. Of all the cryptocurrencies I own, 42 to be exact, and XRP is by far the greatest holding of them all. Even though I don't usually make forecasts, I can't help but notice that XRP has such solid foundations. In my opinion, the market will eventually recognize that it is undervalued. Therefore, I will not offer a forecast. What on earth is going on if XRP doesn't reach a new all-time high in enterprise discovery during this alt season? Unless there's some unforeseen, XRP-specific catastrophe, like a bug that makes the cryptocurrency useless, I fail to understand how this could ever occur. Thus, my XRP wager remains a binary one. Maybe XRP does indeed go to zero, and I'm completely mistaken. In the end, we will achieve a new record in enterprise discovery, and I am not willing to give it a 0% chance of happening. I am extremely convinced that we are correct. Something has to give or something else will transpire. The fact that something hasn't transpired just yet doesn't rule out the possibility that it will. We can't remain in this range indefinitely. I don't understand. Seeing my video is an honor. Thank you for watching my channel and for subscribing. I will see you later.